Hello my dear students, welcoming you all in this e-learning classes. Today I will be taking your value education class, and from previous classes I was discussing the chapter Little Twinkle, chapter number 1 Little Twinkle, and in previous class I have completed the reading and some exercise parts. So what have we learned in the reading? That Little Twinkle was alone at her home because her parents has gone for a party, and she found a scissor and she started playing with the scissor. She started to cut the papers from the magazine. Then she tried to cut a cardboard, but she could not. Then she put so much force that the scissors broke. Then Little Twinkle got very afraid that her father will scold her. When her father came, Little Twinkle told him the truth, and that's why Little Twinkle's father did not scold her. Okay. So from this chapter we come to know that we always have to be honest and tell the truth. If we make any mistake, we always should admit. Okay. All of you now open page number 9. Open page number 9. I have done this. Tick the correct answers in the previous class, and today I will be doing the question and answer part. Okay. Open page number 9. You can see the question and answer part over there. Questions and answers. What is the first question? First question is, what did Twinkle do with the scissors? What did Twinkle do with the scissors? So, what will be the answer? What have we read in the story? That Twinkle started playing with the scissors and she cut pictures from the magazine. So, what did Twinkle do with the scissors? Twinkle started playing with the scissors and she cut pictures from the magazine. Okay. Now, let's move to the second question. Did Twinkle tell the truth? Did Twinkle tell the truth to her father? Did Twinkle tell the truth to her father? What will be the answer? The answer is yes. Twinkle told the truth to her father? Yes. Did Twinkle tell the truth to her father? Yes, Twinkle told the truth to her father. Okay. Yes, Twinkle told the truth to her father. Okay. The third question is, what do you think would have happened What do you think would have happened if Twinkle had not told the truth to her father? What do you think would have happened if Twinkle had not told the truth to her father? What do you think would have happened? You will think about the question and you will do the answers at your home. Okay. So, first two question answers I have done. Third one you will think about it and will try to do at your home. Okay. So, today question answers I have completed. I will proceed with the next chapters in the next class. Today is up to this and be safe.